vlog.
Good afternoon guys. Yan, lalabas kami ni Afam guys. Pupunta kami ng IKEA and kakain kami. Actually, supposedly, pupunta din kami ng restaurant pero wala nang time. Kasi nga, kailangan ko pang ihatid si Alexander sa school. Like that. So anyway, we will go na lang sa IKEA tapos kakain kami doon. And then after that, saan pa ba kami alis? Dami sana namin plano today. Kaso nga lang, you know, yung madami kayong plano tapos wala kayong masyadong nagagawa dahil tinatamad kayo. Sometimes mas maganda pa yung spontaneous, parang ganon. So yeah, so ngayon na lang yung gagawin namin IKEA. Medyo sunny siya pero malamig pa rin guys. Look. Or maybe not. I don't know. Malamig siya sa labas actually. Yan. So sa sakyan to ni Afam kasi nga pag nagda-drive kasi siya sa sasakyan ko, hindi niya masyadong bet kasi nga automatic yung akin. So mas gusto niya yung manual. So yeah, hinihintay ko lang siya kasi as usual, mas matagal siya sa akin magbihis kasi hindi siya palaging umaalis. So hindi niya alam kung nasan yung shoes niya, nasan yung ganito niya, ganyan. So yan. Magre-retouch na ako soon. So yun na nga, sa update lang sa swimming class ni Alexander. Nag-start siya Wednesday, every Wednesday yung kanyang swimming class. And at first talaga as in umiiyak si Alexander na to be honest, I want to give up. Gusto ko na lang sana na okay, sige na, wag na lang ituloy. Pero at the same time, alam ko naman na pag first time ganun si Alexander kasi nagpunta na kami doon mag-swimming lang and he doesn't have problem kasama ako. Pero nung hindi na ako kasama, medyo natatakot siya kasi sinabi ko swimming lesson. Medyo natatakot siya dahil swimming lesson, akala niya tuturuan talaga siya ng something and he needs to be perfect. Parang ganun yung nasa isip niya Alexander. Pero after that, naging okay naman siya. Nag-enjoy siya. So babalik kami Monday kasi meron din sila ngayong free swimming class Monday to Friday. This time lang may free. So naka-free tayo. Dahil nakita ko kasi sa Facebook meron silang ganun. Kasi parang nagtuturo sila ng mga swimming instructor. So they need kids na tuturuan nun. Or parang, I don't know, maybe exam or something. So free si Alexander. But of course, 3:30 Monday to Friday. Everyday, no? Kasi sinabi ko pwede bang maximize ko or maximum na kaya pwedeng i-free ko kasi yung iba kumukuha lang ng one day like that. But for me, okay lang kasi pag nandun si Alexander after niya mag-swimming, we can walk around kasi ano yun, park. So yun yung kagandahan doon. Tsaka free parking siya for 2 hours. So pag nag-swimming si Alexander 30 minutes, so let's say magbibihis siya, let's say total 1 hour. May 1 hour pa kami to walk around para free, yeah? So ganun yung gagawin ko. Mag-walking kami doon after swimming lesson ni Alexander. Pero to be honest, mas napapagastos ako dahil nga after swimming lesson ni Alexander, pinapapili ko siya ng mga food para gusto ko lang yung para ma-relax siya or para magustuhan niya yung lugar. So, last time bumili ako ng some food, tapos croissant, like that. Mas mahal dun actually, for 50 £2. But sige na lang for Alexander kasi guys, hindi talaga ako marunong maglumangoy. And I really hope, I wish na nung elementary ko kasi yung teacher ko sinabi niya na would you like to join sa swimming competition tapos we will teach you how to swim, something like that. Unfortunately yung mother ko is hindi ako pinayagan, and to be honest until now kasi natatakot siya malunod, mga ganon. So to be honest until now gusto ko talagang matuto pero wala pa talagang time, tsaka nakakahiya din masyado. But maybe one of these days magpapaturo talaga ako na lumangoy kasi you know, it's nice to know paano lumangoy. Kaya si Alexander talaga, kailangan niya talaga matuto, and I will support yung mga sports niya. Like yung sa tennis, gusto niya, pipili ako ng tennis what something here na malapit sa amin kasi malayo yung last time, as in late kami dumating dun sa tennis practice kasi nga malayo siya guys, 30 minutes siya from home. So at saka maaga yon, 9:30. Tapos yung football naman ni Alexander is ano siya, 9:30 din. So kailangan ko ng ibang place na medyo after, or I don't know, kasi ang gusto ko sana mag-try siya ng tennis, mag-try siya ng football, pero yung football kasi 9:30 which is near lang sa amin, so yun siguro na lang again, or pag may nakita akong tennis na something, kasi you know, mas maganda yung bata si Alexander, marami siyang natatry kasi nga si Alexander talaga hindi siya super friendly. Mabait siya na bata pero hindi siya yung super friendly sa ibang bata, ibang tao. Kaya I want him to be exposed kasi the more na expose siya, mas ano siya ngayon, mas oras na si apa mang tagal. Mas oh my god. Ito yung problema ko kay Afam guys. Ang tagal mag-ready guys. Parang babae, mas ano pa, huwag niyo sabihin, pero ang tagal mag-ready. Mag-take pa ng vitamins. Oh my god. I need to call him. Sometimes ayoko talaga na magpapahatid sa kanya or lumalabas with him. Kasi ang tagal. Oh goodness. Wait, tawagan ko nga. Naiinis ako. Naiinis na ako. Wait. Oh, hindi. Lumalabas na siya. Yan ay, lumalabas na siya. Okay, so, yun na nga. Ano ba yung sinasabi ko? Yun, gusto ko siyang ma-expose kasi ngayon sa Alexander, less na siyang shy. Hindi na siya katulad ng before talaga. As in, super shy na natatakot siya sa ibang tao. Kasi COVID baby. But now, hindi na siya tatakot. Nagpi-play na siya. Pag nandun siya sa tennis, nag-listen siya, nag-participate siya. Kasi before talaga, magsistay lang. Ganon. So, yeah. Magsistay lang siya before sa isang corner. But now, okay na siya. So, anyway, nandito na si Afam, guys. Alas na kami. So, kaya gusto ko siya more exposed pa. I think his car is flat. Your car is flat, yeah? Your car is flat?
No.
Are you sure? You said last time it's flat. You need the
Keys.
here. Do you want the one in the car? I get it?
I said no.
Are you sure? Okay. Maybe some occasion. Oh, there's a flag. Yeah, there's a flag in the. Look at this plate. Have this flag.
Oh, it's flag.
This one.
What?
Nothing. I will show you maybe later. Ito kami sa. Coffee or juice, yeah? Same juice with that? I will get coffee. Ito yung gusto ni Afam. Yeah, because it's really nice, delicious. Yeah. No, yeah, we have space. We have space in the down or no? We have cheesecake. We'll also get. I think you need 4 or something. Ayan na yung food natin, guys.
Do you need anything else?
No, I just get my coffee and you can get your drinks. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, because before you just press it and you have coffee, but now with scan. Yeah? Without, if you didn't pay, you cannot have coffee. Because before, maybe some people will just get coffee, yeah? Even they don't have free. That's why they do that now. We found a nice place here, near to the window. And here is my waiter. Oh, thank you. I forgot to get sugar. Let's taste it first if I need to. Oh, I need sugar. It's really black coffee. But no, I will get later. Don't worry. So this is mine. One. It's really good, guys. You have to try this.
Yeah, it's so good, but yeah, this one. Oh, the grill is nice.
£15. It's good for water.
Yeah.
What do you think? You want to buy this? So we always have water? Because normally it's for juice.
Yeah, boiling, yeah. We can.
Like this, this marble. Yeah? And look at that, your shower. Look at your shower. Oh, here.
This is the
Dito kami sa IKEA para bumili ng cupboard namin finally kasi nga last time naguguluhan talaga ako kung ano yung gusto ko, but now naguguluhan pa din ako, pero we need to buy na kasi nga kailangan na talaga namin yung mga clothes ko, hindi na magkasya. Nice, yeah. Cut here.
Second floor.
Second floor, okay.
Doors open.
Yeah, and the table is circle also. Yeah. Maybe no, you cannot.
the
Yeah.
wall is here, where the TV is. Yeah, the TV is here now.
Yeah.
So you put it on this wall, then you take this mirror here, and this sofa from there you put here. But this one, this extension,
Yeah, there is something we try to find. Like the one you saw last time, you know? Oh, this one.
oh yeah, like this one, exactly, yeah.
With this one? Or this one?
This one there in the end. Yeah, in front of you.
Yeah.
This one, yeah.
1,000. Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Is it comfy? Yeah?
I'm sure it's more comfortable.
Yeah? Can you try?
This is so much comfortable.
You can lie down properly, but the size, you know, you need to measure there just to be sure that it's enough. Yeah, but the best is we size up. Yeah.
So it's not going to be so close to the TV as well.
Yeah.
And it's gonna be
Mag-ano tayo, design tayo, guide me, design from scratch. Maybe guide me. What is the size width?
but you have it on your email, so maybe you can just load.
In the email. Okay, let's see. Browse, open design. Open design. If you have a save design, yeah. Okay, let's see.
Find it on your
Okay. Ito na yung napili namin, guys. But why is it like it's cheaper a little bit this time? Why? What did you request before? Because before it's like 800 something.
yeah.
So why it's cheaper now? Maybe I asked before something else, you know? Extra things, yeah. I guess. Yeah,
Kind of
but
space
it's
for this
it's
handle.
actually you know, like strong, you
You
know.
can always
Just
bend this handle a little, if something, whatever. Yeah.
maybe not.
Adjust.
Maybe not.
You can buy different, whatever. I'm sure it's.
But this is the one we choose, yeah.
Yeah.
Like this, I like that, yeah. It's easy to actually open. Yeah.
I'm sure it's enough space.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we can have.
So where can we go now?
Yeah, we go na. Yan, binili ko to kay Alexander para naman makapag-write siya kasi he loves writing. But maybe sa garden yan. Kasi sa room niya madodomihan. Yeah.
You need to tell him to be a little more quiet in the morning, babe.
I'm saying, babe, many times, babe, I'm saying to him. Kasi ang lakas kasi ng ni Alexander poses. Natutulog si Aqua, nagigising siya sa Alexander kasi sobrang laki ng boses ni Alexander, guys. Pag nagsasalita siya. Okay, maybe we don't need to go to Lidl. Maybe we can just go home because this soil and everything, you know, it can wait. Yeah? Yan. Bye-bye, IKEA. Babalik kami dito kasi yung part ng isang door is yung part ng isang door mirror wala dito, out of stock, so babalikan namin siya dito July pa, but it's all right.